Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you joining me back here. You know, I post videos and tips on ways to help you make money from home, remote. Offer you up information on some amazing job opportunities, whether it's in the corporate office or remotely from home. I'm going to share with you, and I also upload information and share information on amazing side hustles. Okay, listen, now this one I'm going to tell you about, it's a seasonal side hustle, but I think if you like to do this, you'll think this is a great way to get your foot into in the door at an amazing, huge company. Everybody knows this company, okay? But you have to stay to you got to hang in there with me before I give it to you, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe, punch the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Make sure you guys get a copy of my free 7 top work from home side hustle guide. Below in the description box is a link directly to that free guide. All you have to do is click on it, follow the steps, and I'll send it over to you. So in every video, you'll notice the description box has detailed information where you can follow me on social media. You guys know Side Hustle Keisha is on Instagram and Facebook. So jump over and follow, like those pages so you never miss any information that I give you about working from home remotely, or some side hustles that can help you supplement your income or plan that family vacation you want to plan next year or this year. Hey, it depends on how hard you're willing to work and what you find. Everything on this channel you find, you're going to be able to make some money. So let's jump right into this money making opportunity, which is seasonal, but you never know what it could turn into, right? So let me share it with you. Let's jump right over to, let's see. You guys are going to like this one. It's Intuit. Intuit has remote tax positions available. So the first one I saw, I want to share that with you. The customer service support, seasonal tax support lead, remote. That means you can work from home. Okay. So when you come to Intuit, careers.intuit, and I'll put this description box in the link, you're going to go ahead and type in remote, okay? And they'll take you right over there. They're going to need a lot of people for tax season. So you want to go ahead and apply now because they're getting you prepared, trained, and ready. So when that end of the month of December comes through and people are ready to apply, you're trained and ready to help them. Okay, so let's go over to customer service support, seasonal tax support lead. Okay, let's see what this one's all about. Okay, so the seasonal tax support lead is in the U.S. remote, so you could be anywhere in the United States. Imagine a career where you can create, your creativity and inspiration can fuel big innovation, right? Intuit is expanding its social, mobile, and global footprint with a full suite of products and services that are revolutionizing the industry, utilizing design for delight and lean startup methodologies. Or entrepreneur employees have brought more than 250 innovations to the market, from QuickBooks and for TurboTax to GoPayment, Mint, Big Data, Cloud, and SaaS, and PaaS, and mobile apps. So discover what it's like to be a part of a team that rewards taking risk and trying new things. It's time to love what you do. Check out all the career opportunities at careers.intuit.com. Okay, so this position is seasonal tax support lead, okay? And Intuit will consider for employment qualified applicants with criminal histories in a manner consistent with requirements of local law. Okay, so even if you have a background with a criminal background, they are open to hearing from you. Seasonal real-time operation analyst, they also have available. Senior manager and expert community engagement, tax processor, director, customer support, director of customer success. So they have a lot of options available. Let me just click on apply and let's see what happens, okay? So it's going to have you enter your email, okay, if you guys want to apply. But I'm going to go back, okay? I just want to tell you they do have a seasonal tax support opportunity. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to the search And I want to show you the other opportunities that were remote. Okay, so right now they have a bilingual Spanish tax expert CPA. It's a seasonal remote, okay? And then they have credential tax expert, enrolled agent, and practicing attorney, seasonal tax expert lead remote, seasonal French bilingual tax expert Canada remote, seasonal tax expert Canada remote, and then a seasonal tax associate, tax support associate seasonal. All these positions are remote. Experts in imports, francophone. So let's see. Regional business development manager. That looks like a full-time position. And test account executive, regional business development manager. So they have a few positions here. Let's check out the regional business development remote, okay? That's a sales position. Okay, so regional sales development manager. You have a proven track record of delighting customers, embracing fast-moving environments, building strong and productive territory-based relationships, and willingness to innovate while meeting sales objectives are the true outcomes that will make you a rock star on the team. If this sounds like the challenge that gets you excited and you have the experience to back it up, we have a role for you. Come join our championship team. And in case you didn't know it, accountants are fun and cool people. In your role as a regional business development manager, you'll be responsible for identifying new opportunities and selling the company's products and service to set a named accounting firms within a defined geographic territory. Your role will be to consult and educate accountants on the value of Intuit's products and services and those of partners that attach QuickBooks Online. You'll help demonstrate how our products and services will save accountants time, help them grow their practice, and delight their clients. You will develop account-specific plans to optimize sales and manage a pipeline of business that delivers and or exceeds your assigned goals, responsibilities. Work with assigned firms through a defined sales process from research to proposal, close, and implementation. On Intuit's cloud platform solution, you will help firms identify and implement tangible benefits for their clients and their firm. Present to senior executives, decision makers, and deliver demos and webinars in a service to your territory goals. Maintain an accurate and robust opportunity pipeline that provides visibility and confidence you will exceed your goals. Prepare and maintain strategic quarterly territory review. So if you think this is an opportunity for you, please check. You're going to need 5 years of outside territory work, sales work, the ability to drive rigorous sales process using customer insights and manage a clean opportunity pipeline, demonstrate collaborative skills with the ability to influence and work cross-functionally, strong presentation skills, accounting industry experience, a strong plus, solid understanding of Salesforce, expertise in account management models, proven expertise, sales experience, must be able to travel at least 50%. Okay, so this ain't so remote because you got to leave the house. So let's go out of here. Let's go out of here and let's scroll down. Let's check out seasonal sales associate. Okay, so seasonal sales associate, it would be responsible for the season. This is a seasonal position providing support to credentialed tax experts in compiling, preparing tax returns for TurboTax customers. This is not remote. This would be in office, okay? Will assist credentialed tax experts because it doesn't appear to be remote. Okay, so that's another opportunity. Let's see where this opportunity is located. Okay. Bilingual Spanish tax expert. Let's check that one out. Okay, so this says location U.S. remote. Join our virtual tax network. Okay, responsibilities for the bilingual Spanish tax expert CPA seasonal remote would be, this is a seasonal virtual customer facing role. You will be using our state-of-the-art video communication software, Smart Look, to interact with customers, help TurboTax customers who are working on their tax return with 1, tax advice, including return preparation and signature when required, 2, product software inquiries, and 3, tax calculations. Create high quality customer interactions and experience that instill confidence using deep customer empathy and your deep knowledge and expertise in the field of tax preparation. Utilize and leverage government websites, professional resources, and team expertise to seek out and deliver the right answer to the customer using everyday language. Apply defined practices, procedures, and company policies to troubleshoot and resolve tax advice and preparation customer inquiries. Document customer interactions, and you must possess an active EA, enrolled agent, CPA, certified public accountant, or practicing attorney with strong tax preparation experience and extensive knowledge of the tax laws. Must possess active PTIN, prepared tax ID number. 3 or more years of recent experience preparing federal and state individual 1040 tax returns for clients, customers using commercial tax preparation software. Professional curricular, 230 judgment. Audit experience is a plus. Proficient with technology, solid knowledge of computer operations and software. Must have a dedicated internet connection and a landline. Strong customer service skills. Ability to interact with customer service through video, audio tool, and in the way of video and audio tools in a way that is professional, friendly, and reassuring. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment with minimum supervision. Critical thinking, problem solving, and determination. Bilingual English, Spanish communication skills, written and spoken, is a plus. So you would go here and you can come down and you can get started on applying for that position. Okay. So I hope that this was some more helpful information given to you tonight regarding amazing company that we all know, Intuit. Who they do have some remote opportunities. And if you go below the description box after this video is over, I'm going to have the links to the opportunities to this page. All you have to do is type in remote. Below that, I'll also put direct links to the opportunities I discussed in the video. So I'll give you a link that goes directly to Intuit Careers. It's going to go right into Intuit Careers. And then I'll give you the two or 3 links of opportunities that we discussed tonight. Okay, you guys, make sure you get the free guide, my 7 top work from home side hustle guide. Also, you check below in the video. I always list my #1 recommendation for making money for online. Click on that link, follow the steps, and tell me what you think. Okay. Also, I always give my #1 recommendation for making money from home, for making money online. You guys, those links are there for you if you're looking for a way to bring in some extra passive income. Make sure you guys check those out. Also, know that if you are in the DFW area, I'll be putting on a networking event once a quarter starting in 2020. So if you're in the area, reach out to me, send me a message drop a comment below and we can definitely hook up for the future. Okay, you guys have a great night. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.